Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
So to draw a feather, first you have to draw a line, okay, and then draw an adjacent line, similarly on this side. Now join these two lines, join these two. Yes. Now add some paths in between. Okay. Here. Now extend this part even further. Now what we are going to do is darken this line, center line. Yes, darken that. Then now we are going to darken this line also. Then add some ridges like this and come back here. And then start a little away and do the ridges and come back down. And similarly do like that. Then join it here. Yes. Now on this side you have to do the same. Okay. Go side. Yes. That's it. And then you can add small lines in between for the detailing. You see progress up, just lighten the lines.
That's it, guys. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your artworks with me. You can use my WhatsApp business number and I would love to see your drawings. And wait, there's a bonus. I will share my Facebook group's invite link. In that group, I'm discussing the tips and tricks on how to draw and also answering your questions. If you're very much interested in arts, you can accept the invite. And finally, if you want to check my artworks, search for Entice Art Studio in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Take care. Happy drawing. Bye.